With only a small population of 800, what it lacks in size makes up for in beauty. With pristine beaches that stretch for miles, it makes for a scenic stay. With an abundance of accommodation that range from caravan parks to boutique hotels. There's plenty of options for everybody. Mission Beach is the gateway to Dunk Island, the biggest of the family island group.
Mission Beach.
A great spot to relax, go fishing, or spend time spotting a cassowary. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we explore the islands that fringe Mission Beach, the family island group.